If you're seeing a chess.com error 404, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it, what usually causes it, and how to check whether the page has simply moved or whether your account changes still need time to update. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of frustration when a game link, forum post, or profile page suddenly stops loading. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, go to chess.com and open the page that is giving you the 404 error. The first thing to check is whether your email has been activated. If your account is still waiting on email verification, some pages and account features may not load properly. So open your inbox, look for the chess.com verification email, and confirm your account if you have not already done that. Next, if the error started after a username change, give it a little time. Username changes can take around 30 minutes to fully update across the site, so if you just changed yours, the issue may clear on its own once the update finishes processing. If the page still isn't loading, the next step is to refresh the site properly. Instead of a normal refresh, use a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This clears the cached version of the page and forces your browser to load the latest version from chess.com. A lot of times, that alone can fix a page that appears broken or outdated. If you are trying to open a specific forum topic, game, or post and it still shows 404, there is another very helpful trick. Look at the address bar and remove the last part of the URL. For example, if the link is something like chess.com/forum/view/topic name, delete the topic part so you are left with chess.com/forum/view. Then press enter and see if the parent directory loads. If it does, that usually means the content was moved, renamed, or removed, and the direct link is no longer valid. That does not always mean the whole section is broken. It often just means the exact page you were trying to open is gone, while the main category or parent page still works. If that happens, you can browse from the parent page to find the new location of the content. Also, make sure you are typing or pasting the URL correctly. A small typo, an extra character, or a copied link with an outdated path can trigger a 404 error instantly. If you are coming from a bookmark, try opening chess.com from the homepage first, then navigate to the page again from inside the site. That helps rule out an old saved link. If none of those steps work, try signing out and back in, then open chess.com again in a fresh tab. Sometimes session issues or browser glitches can interfere with loading certain pages. You can also try another browser or a private window to test whether the problem is coming from your browser cache or extensions. At this point, if the page still shows 404, it is likely either removed, moved, or temporarily unavailable. The good news is that most chess.com 404 errors are caused by one of these simple issues, and they are usually easy to fix by verifying your account, waiting for updates to finish, using a hard refresh, or checking the parent directory of the link. So to recap, first verify your email activation, then wait about 30 minutes if you recently changed your username, then do a hard refresh with Ctrl F5 or Command Shift R, and finally check the parent directory by trimming the last part of the URL. If you follow those steps, you should have a much better idea of why the error is showing and how to get back to the page you need. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy software and website fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.